This video will demonstrate how to view digital photos from the UCAR Communications collection. This collection contains thousands of photos documenting NSF NCAR's and UCAR's history. I'll start on the collection homepage. To navigate here, you can go to tinyurl.com/UCAR photos, or you'll find the full URL linked in the video description. If you have a topic in mind, enter your search term in the collection search box on the left side of the page. I'm looking for photos of NCAR scientists doing field research, so I'll enter field research. If you're searching for an exact phrase, you can use quotation marks around the phrase to limit your results. You can also limit your search by date. The digital photos in this collection date from 2002 to the present. I'd like to see photos from 2015 to the present, so I'll enter 2015 in this field on the left and leave the field on the right blank. Let's look at this first result, mosquito field research. The scope and contents note gives us a brief description of the material. The section called Found In shows me that these are digital photographs. I'll open this record. Our digital photographs are available online in linked galleries, and the link is located on the right side of the page. I'll click on View Photos, and I'll open an image. You can download a high-resolution copy of the photo using the blue button below the image. If you'd like to link to this photo gallery, use the button on the lower left to copy the citable URL. This is a web address that will remain consistent over time, so your link will be durable. If you don't have a specific topic or event in mind, you can also browse the digital photos using the Collection Organization sidebar on the left side of the page. Click the arrow next to Audiovisual Materials, and again next to Digital Photographs. You can widen the sidebar by dragging the right border over. If you have any questions or need assistance, please email the archive staff at archives@ucar.edu. Our email address is listed at the bottom of the page.